Kartel like Busy Signal man at all. Only know watch Scratchy B interview with 2 Lakhs. You know him say after Kartel cut him off a Busy, him go work with.
Yeah man, this is Vybz Kartel. I'm Waterford Primary School. I'm sending my team to deliver basic bags. Okay?
Andrew Batty boy, Holness and him Batty boy police them and I know when a bomb buck like though. 3 Sims Road, Kingston 2, I left the yard and stopped going out here.
Yesterday, the National Security Council received a briefing from the JCF regarding the situation in Spanish Town.
One that the badness, when I put him out of your talk. One that the badness, pussy when get it. All that Babylon them.
The police have always been able to function. They come into a community, they're looking for a particular individual.
The police them was slap where the Spanish Town done. Thick man. I know that you don't feel like you don't accomplish something. But I have got news for you.
We have to check up on one another. Because sometimes you don't know where a man got you. You don't know where a woman got you. Because the on the outside them show a smiling face.
Black again viewers and subscribers, hope all my subscribers them doing good, hope all my subscribers them doing great. So before we get into the vlog, make sure you say stop where you are right now, click the like button, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. So our Foota hype, the viral king, come out and expose some things about Vybz Kartel, and I make we know say Vybz Kartel don't like Busy Signal. So now have to stay tuned and hear what the viral king Foota hype have to say. And Foota hype also mentioned say Busy Signal buy a mansion in the United States of America, and him go have the key, him go run the house. So now stay tuned for that too as well. I will also have 119 come out and I say the police them do the wrong thing because them go slap with the one other gang done over in a Spanish Town, and the man I say Spanish Town I got turn up right now. I will also have Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister, come out and talk about the whole situation we are going in a Spanish Town. So now stay tuned and hear what the Prime Minister have to say about the whole thing. Is it? I will also have Olivia Babsy Granger. She runs Spanish Town of viewers and subscribers, so she talk about things about the Dan too as well. So now stay tuned for that part there too. I will have Vybz Kartel come out and talk about mental health and them little thing there. So now for those stay tuned and watch the vlog. I be things are going in the vlog. We could have put all of the video them in the intro. So now for those stay tuned, watch it till it ends so they can get the full understanding and see everything we are going. So we are dive off into the review right now.
The police them was slap where the Spanish Town done. Thick man. I know that you don't feel like you don't accomplish something. But I have got news for you. You don't have accomplished nothing. Nothing at all. All of the police and soldier them, we have put them life at risk. Taking on gangsters. So now go off a Dana, now go off a gangster like Thick man. Because I wipe out violence and crime. Let me tell you this, make 119 tell you this. Waste no time. You're wasting no time and putting your life at risk for nothing. You are accomplishing nothing. You make the government play like puppet on a string. Because this is gone from the 1970s. From the 1970s, police and soldier have go after gangster. Some of the gangster them on the dirt, some of them on the prison them, some of them this, some of them do all kind of things. And what has it accomplished? I want you to tell me what you accomplish, because gangsters are not born. No baby come out of them mother down a Jubilee and you see gangster on them forehead. It is the environment that breed gangsters. It is the social issues that breeds violence and criminality. And we keep going after the symptoms of this social circumstances, the lack of opportunities, because Jamaican men are very ambitious. We want to drive big car and we want to live in a pretty house and we want to live big and we want the prettiest of girl them. And that is what gangsters want. They want to feel important. They want to live good and live big. And if we provide them with the right opportunities, they won't turn to alternative means. And that is what we need to address. Instead, I get up every day, I get big gun, figure fight and war and shoot out and that one is dead, and on dirt, that one there, on this, that one there. What has it accomplished? It is the factory that are producing gangsters that do not need to address. Because when one gone, another one born, and it has been going on like that for years and years and years and years and years, decades. I want to get in the same results.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so that is 119, and the man I say, oh, the police them fool, because every time them do the same thing over and over again and still I get the same result. Them don't know how to tackle crime is it. So the man also mentioned, say, our next man I go forward up after the done in a Spanish town, because when one gone, the next one born. So I'm more to know what you think about that. Leave it as an opinion in the comment section below. We are getting to the rest of the review.
The truth is an offense, and the truth can't hide. The truth not carry filter. You know what taking place in Spanish Town? Do you all know what taking place in Spanish Town? Who live there know, but who outside don't know. So you say, oh, fucking people are wicked and them bad, but they don't understand. This place run under system. And I realize they run under system. But every time there's a man that rise up and control the youth them and can calm them, because this man rise up now as the done in Spanish Town and police trained him last night and go slap out his head. And him used to make clansman and harder man becomes one. Some man couldn't go on, so since him start running, no man start go on, so and people start walk free and nobody now rape and rob Spanish Town calm down because of him. Now the police them kill him. So Spanish Town and the break and the lose. The Spanish Town and the rise again. So we don't want peace, we just clearly want war. Because things don't can run the country. Nobody listen to the police no more because they don't trust the police no more. You understand me? You don't move Dulles and downtown get fucked. Because nobody used to rape, nobody used to rob. And in control everything. Down there, I want him used to draw extortion, and who my extortion was Mr. Chin, Hazan them, because they come here, corporate business in our country and take our money. So, he eventually start extortion from them, and in control the community, and the government not like that. So, we move him, and see it now, war start. People start get robbed and raped, but it benefits to you people, because they go to the courthouse and the judge charge them 1,000, millions, 100,000. So it's beneficial to you people. So if I set a police station out there, if you go take away some go send some traffic ticket, some if you go see some passenger vehicle, and then there's boots us to do crime. The system boots criminal. Because 9 to 5 you work and you not get no pay. You have to eventually start hustle your workplace, or you start thief light or thief water to survive. So, who is the fault in this? Eh? We don't want peace. My sister don't want to fight crime, but we don't breed crime. I don't know if somebody need to recreate the whole constitutional law right now, because something seems wrong. Because when I look at it from the angle here, it don't feel good. Because when we see I go on now, there's a team of police coming out at night time, kick off the youth them door and kill them in bed. Because I didn't know where to fight crime, because you heard that this man is dealing with crime. So when they come and you don't have a gun, or they don't catch you with none, they bring one for you. So youth, be very careful because we're not lucky anymore. This thing over. You think over. So stop killing one another. Youth, stop killing one another. That's why they shouldn't kill that man when them kill, because that man trying to make peace among the youths them.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so that was Outer Road speaking, and the man I say, yo, it seems like Spanish Town I got turn up and be things I got go on, and I don't really understand because I don't see nothing go on yet still. It seems like the police them have things under control. So my viewers and subscribers, I want to know one thing. I think say Spanish Town I got turn up a little bit from this because the police them kind of have things under control right now. But in the things I got go on after things kind of cool down a little bit. So I want to know one pre we are getting to the rest of the review.
Fresh drop.
You man busy do somebody. Remember, busy a general youth, Kartel a general youth. General youth want the song, so them do the song. Kartel a like busy signal, none at all. Only know watch Scratchy B interview with 2 lakhs. You know, hear him say after Kartel cut him off a busy, him go work with. I don't know them a beef, you know. And me a tell you know, from long time, I tell you upon Gaza uncle interview, say, it's not Movado a Kartel rival, you know. A busy signal Kartel have a real problem with you. Long time, I tell you that I only just feel like Foota love chatter in nonsense, you know. Long time, I tell you that, you know. How long me I tell you that? For the whole 13 years Kartel they appease me I tell you that. A busy signal make them change the name of over Portmore from borderline to Gaza. And you don't hear what me I say? Do how long me I tell you that? How long? But you just feel like say, okay, Foota is Movado friend and he's in an alliance, so he just me no come by here so come tell lion chat fuckery. Me no need to do that. Me no have to chase clout, you know. I am clout.
That's it? Yeah man, this is Vybz Kartel. I Waterford Primary School. I'm sending my team to deliver basic bags. Okay? So look out. Everything look out. What is under the nose? God is the greatest. No, I know.
So this check is to go towards your JCDC program, as well as to go towards computers, and also for a treat next week Friday, courtesy of Mr. Palmer himself.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so that is Vybz Kartel, the world boss himself, the king of the dance. Some want to know one to think about that. Vybz Kartel go, I'm old-time primary school, go donate $1 million to the kids them, and you see me and say, some want to know one to pre about that, and Foota hype too as well. So Vybz Kartel don't like busy signals, so leave it as an opinion in the comment section below. I know what you think about the man them.
Yesterday, the National Security Council received a briefing from the JCF regarding the situation in Spanish Town. We are satisfied that the police have made the necessary allocation of manpower and other resources to bring the situation in Spanish Town under control and to return calm to the town. Nevertheless, the intelligence briefing is that the gangs continue to pose a clear and present danger and a real threat to public order, citizen security, public services, and commerce in Spanish Town. For decades, the gangs have captured Spanish Town, almost all elements of life in Spanish Town. The government of Jamaica is paying close attention to this situation, not just from a security perspective, but from a developmental perspective. The government is investing several $1 billion into critical infrastructure in Spanish Town, starting with the investment in a new wing at the Spanish Town Hospital over $2 billion investment, and the building of a new police divisional headquarters in Spanish Town, another $2 billion, in addition to planned works in roads and water. We will not allow our development plans to be derailed or hijacked by gangs. There is a sense, and we have seen it displayed publicly, that somehow the gangs are protectors of the community or are your friends. The gangs are not your protector. They are not your friends. They are using you. The plan of the government, however, is not to target communities and harm communities in pursuit of the gangs. The strategy of the government is to separate the gangs and criminals from the community and law-abiding citizens. I take this opportunity to appeal to the law-abiding citizens of Spanish Town not to support the gangs, not to be enlisted in their activities. This is finally an opportunity for the liberation of Spanish Town and indeed other communities. The truth is that the gangs account for more than 70% of murders in Jamaica. We have been able to reduce murders in Jamaica by targeting the gangs, eroding and depleting their capabilities. So last year, we are able to say we reduced murders by 20%. We will continue to target the gangs, and we ask for the support of the citizens in these communities where the gangs have infested and captured the life of the community. If you help the police, if you cooperate with the government strategy in helping us to clear the space of this threat, more investments will find its way to your community, not just from the government, but from the private sector. Spanish Town has incredible opportunities. Spanish Town has an incredible history. It has great commerce and great potential for development, but it is all being suppressed by gangs and crime. Let us use this as an opportunity to once and for all rid the community of the gangs. The police have been instructed that in their activities, in targeting the gangs, innocent citizens, law-abiding citizens must be protected. And indeed, we have seen that there has been a significant improvement in police-community relations. We don't want to damage that. We want to enhance that and improve that. The government strategy is to go after the gangs, and we will use all lawful tools in our toolkit. We will bring down the murder rate, and we will keep the people of Jamaica safe. You know, the truth is that we have allowed, as a country, gangs to control for far too long. And now it is time that we take charge of spaces like Spanish Town and take them back from the gangs.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, so when I hear the Prime Minister, bro, God Andrew Holness said the man I say he might try get back Spanish Town from the gangs, them and try make Spanish Town a better place. So more if you know want to think about that, my viewers and subscribers. So the things say a good thing Andrew Holness I do, let me know in the comment section below.
Meanwhile, we asked Miss Grange if she knew the deceased of Neil Thickman Loban.
I don't really interfere in police matters. And the police have always been able to function. They come into a community, they're looking for a particular individual. Nobody prevents them from doing so. And as I said, in communities, all types reside.
We also asked her about Mr. Loban and his activities in the community.
Based on the relationship you have with the commander, has he ever said to you that, Miss Grange, we're looking for X or Y person?
No, he has never ever said that.
Do you know Thickman to be a troublemaker in the community?
Not to my knowledge, but I cannot question the police in terms of what they may say. And I totally leave that up to the police.
When I'm seeing green from left, I already blood clot why I dropped them. Look up and I'm seeing green for days. One that the badness. We not put your mouth around and talk. One that the badness. Pussy you not get it. All of the Babylon them. Be this to a threat. Make this be a threat. We're not gonna get it back. Spanish Town is going to be locked zone. I'm sorry, when I talk this with no water in my mouth. No water, no filter. Yeah. Spanish Town is going to be a chaos. And you know why? Daddy what? You know knows daddy. Him come like a regular person, bro. Just like a regular man. The man drove there all in kind. Him run joke with everybody I love him. Baby them love him, man. You're not dead, brother.
Yeah. Our post old police boy, you know, not bumbo clad, yeah. Andrew Batty boy, Holness and him Batty boy police them, you know, we're not bumbo clad, though. 3 Sims Road, Kingston Town, I left that yard and stop going out, yeah. On the stop blood clot, listen to people. I say, any day you fuck on yourself, I make my father and nothing wrong with my sister, them up there. You know, I gonna know who is blood clot, man. You know, I gonna know who is me pussy, you know, allow my bumbo clot family them alone. Every minute I get information and run on people. Like, years now, bumbo clot, do it and think I just now, pussy. No, no, yeah. This party boy government have to come out of bumbo clot power. This year have to come out. I'll be a fucker, you know, and I'll be a fucker on a batty boy, police boy, though. I'm not gonna look on my Facebook, because I feel like I'm afraid of blood clot, you know. I'm not afraid of death, yeah. Only thing sure in life. I'm not afraid of no blood clot boy and a girl. Hear that? Because when you come for me, just know say I'm alone now come for. Couple of them go with me, yeah. Believe.
Yes, some viewers and subscribers, so the people them get dark up on the police them and the government and Holness and attack a bag of things they see, because them and say the police them now deal with things right. So I want to know want to think about the people them we aggrieve, say police are deal with and treat them people them away. I want to know want to pray, so just leave it as an opinion in the comment section below. We are getting to the rest of the review.
One straight nation and one to die. This is not Guatemala. It's not Curacao. This is United States of Bumbo Clark, Miami. Yeah. And I'm a brother birthday. I'm from the rich number that age. I said, well, look. And me have buried them and then no one named so. You hear that? Yeah. So, you know what I'm telling us still. But we just buy the house there. So, man. Look what. The staircase of another 1.5. I'm cool mixed with my heart and look my chandelier there. And guess what? He no live here. So walk out the blood clot in a big or suck on the woman.
I tell us people, for the past 15 years, I see him plumber, electrician, tiler, bodyman, mechanic. None of that, no new plumber, no new electrician, no new bodyman, no new mechanic, no new tiler. You come like you them no want no skill. You come like the new skill nowadays of a bus gun. Or, you know, I tell us you don't look good. The future look shaky right now for me. Because you them no want no skill. You see me I say? The man them look like they are comfortable for dead young. You come like the man not want no grey hairs. Or come like the man them comfortable about dying young. If I talk to a man nowadays, man tell us what? Everybody all dead. Yeah, everybody all dead, brother, but nobody rush the time. And yo, man tell us I pray you them take up skill, dog. Skill make a lot of money. Plumbing, electrician, tiler, mason, mechanic, bodyman. Yo, man tell us it's serious people. You come like a backward way I go, yo. None of you them, you come like say, yo, man, I want them type of work nowadays.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, see what time I clock is, see what time I knock, we are hurry up and get out of here. So thanks for watching the video till it end. Thanks for like the video. If you don't click the like button as it, make sure you click the like button right now, click the subscribe button, leave it as an opinion in the comment section below. For viewers and subscribers, I'm out.